I'm joined by Stephen Farrelly, the Global Lead for Pharma and Healthcare for ING. Stephen, thank you so much for making the time to join us.
Great to be here, really appreciate the time.
Well, thank you. So, thinking about the conference and the themes that are coming out of it at the moment, what are you finding the most common or most interesting?
Yeah, look, great to be here, a great opportunity to meet market participants first and foremost and bring a lot of different facets of the healthcare sector together. For me, key takeaways, as a banker and coming at it from a financing partner perspective, the resilience of the sector is critical. I think we saw a lot of analysis yesterday that showed despite governmental shifting, disruption, policies, etc., that the sector continues to perform, driven by the fundamental underlying drivers of the sector. So really positive on that, a favourable outlook too in terms of the direction. I think we see that continued resilience for the coming years despite uncertain times. So I also think one big takeaway is the fact that the market's focused on the right things. We've heard a lot of different companies, a lot of different perspectives over the past 2 days, but the core focus is always on improving patient care, improving access, fostering innovation. So I think once those remain the key focus areas for the industry, it really supports that resilient expectation from a financial perspective going forward.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you. And I mean, thinking again about the conference, are there any themes or anything emerging that surprised you?
Yeah, maybe not a surprise, but more of a reinforcement of what I think is important. These events are great to drive collaboration, and I think that's a key word that I take away at all the different participants that I've spoken to, all the different lectures that we've heard, is collaboration is critical. We've seen companies foster open source approaches to elderly care, really accelerating the pace of innovation, accelerating the standard of care, which again is the most important thing for the sector. So I think that remains critical. I think it's really, it's a big positive to take away that again is the focus of this, of the event and of the sector. We've also seen it in places like sustainability. We've heard from companies that have operate within the pharma supply chain, the medical devices supply chain, healthcare delivery, and at all different points of the value chain. Again, we see a really collaborative approach to ensure that sustainability is at the heart of the sector. One notable shift that I really take away, and I think it was echoed this morning in some of the discussions, is the shift from reactive care to preventative care. This is notable. We believe this can be the future of healthcare, and we're actively financing a number of market participants to encourage and deliver on those ambitions, which can really help shape the future of the sector for decades to come.
Mm-hmm, absolutely, and I'd like to come back for a moment, if you will, to sustainability again. So what initiatives at the moment, I know it's a key part of ING's work, what initiatives with, be it healthcare providers or others within the space, are you presently working on, particularly from a financing perspective? Yeah,
and you touched on it. Sustainability is at the heart of everything that we do from within ING. It's a core pillar of our strategy right across the organisation. And look, what I hear at the conference in the last 2 days is that healthcare is inherently sustainable. The companies that are operating in this space are focused on delivering better care, sustainable care, and the ability to do that in a sustainable way is critical. So we think that we're a great partner to the sector. Innovation in this space from a financing perspective is critical. We go back to 7-8 years ago, ING actually partnering in the medical devices space established the first sustainable linked loan in the market. But we need to continue to innovate, right? We need to continue to work with our clients and market participants to drive continued sustainability through the value chain. The shift towards preventative will be a big part of that in reducing usage and consumption across the healthcare services sector. But look, our key focus is to deploy capital in an impactful way across the healthcare supply chain, not only from an environmental perspective, but also from a social perspective. Increase access to medicines, improve the quality of care, and of course continue to drive that innovation to make the whole sector deliver what its ambitions are. So we're really looking forward to being a player there, bringing good ideas and helping to finance that transition.
Well, Stephen, thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.